भाई, you know everybody talking about this film. ये सब लोग साथ आए हैं, अपनी powers को एक साथ लेके आए हैं और आजाद को बनाया है. What do you have to say?
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I want to take this opportunity to thank Gattu sir, Abhishek sir, for believing in me and making me a part of this film, having this profound trust in me that I can play Tej, and giving me that environment, such a lonely environment, Pragya and Abhishek sir, that I can deliver my best with honesty, and also making me a part of the film which has Ajay sir in it. And you know, it's a big moment for me. I can't tell you, as Rasha said, it's again a मतलब वो शब्द नहीं है मेरे पास बयां करने के लिए इस वक्त मैं क्या महसूस कर रहा हूँ. लेकिन I would just want to thank him. I'm so grateful to God, grateful to him for making me a part of this film. And thank you Pragya, thank you Ronnie sir, and of course the wonderful cast. Diana, मुझे एक पल के भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि Diana के साथ मैं काम कर रहा हूँ और मेरी पहली फिल्म है. So thank you Diana for making me so comfortable. And of course these two, बहुत मस्ती करी, बहुत मज़ा किया और अच्छा काम करने की कोशिश की है. I hope तो अच्छा लगेगा.
Sure sir, बहुत मज़ा. Moving on to the star, already a star. We're seeing these reels everywhere. We're seeing these videos, and they're like, ये तो यार born star है. Rasha, what do you have to say? Standing here, सब लोगों के सामने, and इतना सारा प्यार you're getting.
This is like a crazy moment for me. I don't think I ever would have imagined this. Me being here with all these beautiful people, because I'm so thankful, whether it's Ajay sir, Gattu sir, Pragya, Ronnie sir, I'm so thankful, and my co-actors, Aman, Diana, Mohit, I've learned so much from all of them, and I'm actually blanking out, I'm that nervous and excited, and I'm so full of emotion, but this is a dream moment for me. I'm so grateful.
All I want to say is you're slaying it, and how. Ladies and gentlemen, Rasha Thadani, ek baar zordar taali.
Congratulations to all of you. It's been wonderful seeing you on screen. And I think you are very, very...
Cinema lovers and your fans, I would say thank you so much for saying yes to this movie, to this project. Okay, so how is it working with this team of Azad? Please tell us.
You know, this is a very, very special story. That's the first thing I want to say. Is that I think this is the first time that I heard the narration from Abhishek, and I felt the feelings that I would have felt if I was watching the film. It was that powerful, and I knew instantly that it was a project I wanted to be a part of. I want to be part of telling this story to the world. To be able to be in a film helped by Abhishek Kapoor and starring opposite Ajay Devgan was two things crossed off my bucket list, professional bucket list. So that had me right there. Also to be able to play this character, it's probably one of the most layered, nuanced characters that I've ever played. In a world that I wasn't that familiar with. You know, a very small town, traditional character, and in a period that we're all not obviously familiar with. So that also was very, very challenging and interesting, and it made me want to do it even more. But yeah, I think overall I'd say that this was a surreal experience and just the most soul-stirring, most satisfying experience of my film career.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing that. गुजारिश करूँगा सर वो surprise के बारे में थोड़ा let's बताएंगे. Okay, where are we getting the first question from? I'll come to you.
As a co-star.
What is as loving as yesterday. So when it comes to having fun and enjoying family time, is very loving. But when it comes to work, we want to run away. We want to run away.
Thank you. Yeah.
As an actor, but now you also have the role of a martyrdom to all these people. What does that feel like?
Not really. I mean,
You know, some लोग पैर छूते हैं and they come and everything.
उससे बस ऐसा लगता है बैकअप तो नहीं हो गया आपका. No, it's just I think सबको अपना अपना मार्ग खुद ढूंढना पड़ता है and सबको अपने रास्ते खुद ढूंढने पड़ते हैं. अगर किसी को आप फॉलो करेंगे तो आई थिंक आप कभी कामयाब नहीं हो सकते. तो आई थिंक जितने लोग हैं सो सब
इंस्पिरेशन आप बहुत लोगों से ले सकते हैं, लेकिन रास्ता तो आपको खुद ही ढूंढना पड़ेगा।
But are you, because they all look up to you so much, do you give them a lot of advice, and do they come to you for a lot of advice? And have more of them come to you for advice?
Where Aman is concerned, honestly speaking, he keeps getting fired from me all the time. Whatever he does is not enough for me. So he works very hard, but I keep pushing him and I keep saying it's not enough. So I don't know, he likes it sometimes, he doesn't like it sometimes, but that's how I am and that's how I do it.
So I'm gonna.
My question for you is that, you know, Ajay sir and first worked together. What was your earliest memory of Ajay Devgn? Do you ever remember visiting him on a film set? What was it like? Unfortunately, I don't think so. I must have been very young if I did, but I don't remember.
I think since she was born, I think we didn't work together.
Yeah, I don't think so. But I do. My earliest, the first time I met him was on set when we were shooting, and it was a bit intimidating because firstly, everything was intimidating for me. But when I was meeting him, I was very nervous. But he has this aura that just makes everyone feel comfortable. So luckily, throughout, we just felt so secure and nice, and it's just been such a fun experience.
Aman, my question to you is, now we heard about your personal relation with your uncle. What would be your major takeaway from the filmographies and the careers of, let's say, Ajay sir and Kajol now?
I think a film that I saw very young and it really shook me was Bhagat Singh. It really made me want to become an actor. And for the latter, I would say probably Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
What can we expect from Azad, and ये सुपर हिट जोड़ी जो ऑफलाइन लाइक ऑफ कैमरा कमाल कर जाती है, इसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
I think we have worked together for so long now, and every time I tell him, Kadu, this is the toughest film that we have made. Can you please make something a little simpler, easier? But he just keeps pushing the bar and keeps making things tougher. And I think Azad is till date the toughest film that, I don't know for you, but for me, is the toughest one. And I love the fact that he keeps pushing me, and that we just don't settle for less.
Sir, is that it's always a factor with producers like you and some of the giants like you to be on the lookout for great stories, of course, but also be on the lookout for newer talent who probably have much more raw emotions and a willingness to do the extra. So you have been associated with doing stuff like that, where you are on the lookout for new talent and you back that talent with mounting a film like Azad and much more. So is it a conscious effort for you to that, apart from looking out for great stories, it's also important to be on the lookout for new talent because they give it that extra effort?
See, I think this question of new talent is I've been a first generation entrepreneur, so if anyone called me new at that stage, I would take that as an insult. I think talent is talent. When you spot it and you back it, and you have the vision of a director, and you have a great script, that's what it is. So I don't think I've ever looked at it as new talent or somebody who's done something before, because for everyone, there's a first time. And for people who've been at it for 10 years, there's always a first time again. So that's how I look at it. So I think, and that's the beauty of it. Talent is real talent wherever you are.
कोई ऐसा बेस्ट और वर्स्ट एडवाइस जो आज भी आपको याद है?
30 साल हो गए यार, कहाँ याद रहेगा अच्छा एडवाइस हो, बुरा एडवाइस?
कुछ भी ऐसे
नहीं, बट जैसे राशा ने भी कहा, मेरे डैड भी सेम कहते थे कि अपने आप से चीटिंग मत करो, अपने काम से चीटिंग मत करो, बाकी जो मिलता है वो मिलेगा, बट हमेशा ऑनेस्ट रहो अपने काम के साथ और अपने आप के साथ।
अजय जी, सोशल मीडिया आज के टाइम पे बहुत ही हावी है हमारे।
मुझे ज़्यादा समझ में आता नहीं सोशल मीडिया।
सो अभी जब से ये ट्रेलर आया है सोशल मीडिया पे, तब से ऐसी बातें हो रही है कि नेक्स्ट राशा एंड अमन, नेक्स्ट अजय एंड रवीना है। व्हाट डू यू?
मैं चाहूँगा हमसे आगे बढ़े, हमसे और बड़े हों, और हम हमको जितनी थोड़ी बहुत कामयाबी मिली है उससे और ज़्यादा मिले। और अगर सोशल मीडिया ऐसा कर रहा है तो मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ।
So because this was a character that I've not played before, because of the world was pre-independence, and also middle of a town in the middle of India, so there was a dialect. So there was a lot of preparation actually that I had to undergo for the film, just to get into the character, to understand the world better. So besides, of course, we did a lot of sessions where we sat with the director, but we discussed character, we discussed, what he feels that I should bring to the table. I had my own opinions, so we kind of came to a conclusion of what the character should be. I also did a few sessions with the drama coach to kind of get under the skin of the character. I did a few sessions with the dialect coach as well. So it involved a lot of it, yes.
मेरा सवाल अभिषेक कपूर से, तो आप मौका देते रहे हैं पास्ट में भी, उनकी कास्टिंग से पहले क्या देखते हैं? आपके किरदार को कौन शूट करता है? ये कहानी लिखने से पहले डिसाइड करते हैं या कहानी लिखने के बाद डिसाइड होता है कि हमें कौन से न्यूकमर को या किसे मौका देना है?
जी, सभी चीज़ें कहानी के बाद ही डिसाइड होती हैं, और आपको सच बताऊँ तो ये सारे डिसीजंस कहानी ही लेती है। और जब मैं अभी किसी न्यूकमर से मिलता हूँ या किसी नए एक्टर को कास्ट करने निकलता हूँ, तो मैं पता नहीं एक इंस्टिंक्टिवली डिसीजन लेता हूँ कि मैं उनकी एक एनर्जी होती है, उनकी खुशबू होती है, और ऐसा कोई परफेक्ट कास्टिंग तो नहीं होता, और ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे पिक्चर भी बहुत एकदम जैसे आप ये पोस्टर देख रहे थे, ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे दिमाग में पिक्चर ऐसी ही नजर आ रही है। मेरे पास भी एक धुंधली सी विजन होती है, बट उसकी एक कॉलिंग होती है उस कहानी की, और कहीं ना कहीं मैं इन दोनों का मेल करने की कोशिश करता हूँ। और अगर वो न्यूकमर्स भी हैं तो उनमें कुछ खूबियाँ होती हैं, और उनमें कुछ इनोसेंस भी होता है, और कुछ खामियाँ भी होती हैं। मगर बात ये नहीं है कि आप उनमें कुछ कमी है लोगों को दिखाने के लिए। वी हैव टू वर्क टुगेदर एज वन, एंड कभी-कभी उनकी खामियों को भी उनकी एडवांटेज में प्ले करता हूँ, और कभी-कभी थोड़ा सा कैरेक्टर को उनको फेवर करने के लिए भी लिख लेता हूँ। बट इवेंचुअली जैसे कहते हैं सब साथ में मिलके एक टीम फिल्म बनाती है। And she's not, I've never seen her in the avatar that I needed this character to be. So I thought about it several times. In fact, when I did Rock On, I had not seen Arjun Rampal in that character. I remember a similar comparison I can make. Because I was like, will she do it? Because she had a very Western persona, and I wanted a very authentic Indian, graceful woman, So, but there was some look test that we did, and फिर वो किनार की जो ज़बान है, क्या वो वैसे बोल पाएंगी, वो मध्य प्रदेश वाली जो हिंदी बोली जाती है वो बोल पाएंगी कि नहीं। एंड वी डिड सेवरल टेस्ट एंड रीडिंग्स, एंड शी वाज फ्लोइंग रियली वेल। शी genuinely brought honesty and integrity to this role. Even with Mohit Malik, I have not seen any of his work, but I know that he was an experienced player on the television arena. And I've done that before. I've just kind of met people and know that they have experience. But like with Sushant, I had never seen any of his work. With Mohit again, I didn't see any of his work. But in that room when we sat together, he had some quality about him. In fact, I think he was a little unclear in the beginning whether he should play it or not, and should he do this role or not. But I was very keen on him. I thought this man has a beautiful personality. एक्टर होते थे पुराने ज़माने के, नाम भूलना उनका, but he was fantastic looking man. Actually, it's a very different approach when जब आप मंझे हुए खिलाड़ियों के साथ काम करते हैं तो वो अलग फिल्मों के लिए होता है। जैसे मैंने जब कायपोची की तब उसमें सुशांत थे, अमित साथ थे और राजू थे। वो फिल्मों के लिए नए थे मगर वो टीवी में काफ़ी काम कर चुके थे। तो बट वो फिल्म भी वैसी थी, वो कैरेक्टर भी वैसे थे, वो दुनिया भी वैसी थी। बट आप एकदम ही नए लोगों को तब लेते हैं जब आपको वो इनोसेंस चाहिए होता है, और वो इनोसेंस हैंडल करना भी एक क्राफ्ट हो जाता है। यू नो, आप 2-3 बार करते हैं तो आपको समझ में आता है कि जो प्रेशर उन पे है, पहले तो आपको उस प्रेशर को हटाना होता है। यू हैव टू जस्ट either get them to your own level or go down to their level, but you have to rally with them. You know, एक इक्वालिटी वाली बात बनानी पड़ती है, you know, and प्यार करना पड़ता है उनसे। You know, you have to love them for who they are, as opposed to are they worthy or are they not. Nobody is really worthy. We are all merely serving a film, and for me, filmmaking is a very humbling process. तो जब मैं मंजे हुए लोगों के साथ, जैसे अजय जी हैं, उनके साथ काम करता हूँ, तो आई एम ऑल्सो हम्बल्ड। मैं वर्किंग विद न्यूकमर्स लाइक आशा एंड अमन, आई एम ऑल्सो हम्बल्ड। आई एम श्योर वो उन पे प्रेशर तो होता होगा, बट दैट प्रेशर इज नॉट अबाउट प्रूविंग एनीथिंग, इट इज अबाउट द अननोन। यू नो, बिकॉज जब आप एक मंच पे जाते हैं और आप कभी गए नहीं तो आप में नर्वसनेस होता है, but you have to ease that out. You have to be very nurturing and loving to do that, and you can only do that when you really love your own film. You know, if I was there to just make a project, maybe I would say, why will I do this? But my film needs it, and मैं सिर्फ अपनी फिल्म की सेवा कर रहा हूँ।
Sorry, I was reluctant. No, it was just few bad advices I got from. So that's a biggest mistake I could have done. But yeah, as I said, it's a blessing to be in the film, and I'm just too blessed to be a part of this film. Yeah. I think learning, unlearning, I think it's a part of life. And Abhishek sir was very clear with the character in his head. And when I met him, he had the whole graph. Everything about the character very clear in his head. मुझे बस जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे तो उस किरदार में जान डालनी थी, और वही किया। और of course there's a lot of prep which has gone in playing this character, because this character is completely the other side of the spectrum, I would say. मैं जैसा हूँ वैसा बिल्कुल दिखूँगा नहीं। So it was a journey, it was a tough process for me, and to be in the zone. At the same time, I was starstruck in the film with these people around me, and at the same time I was concentrating on my work. So it's been a great. As I said, it's the biggest point in my career right now, and I cannot have asked for more.
आता Android में Apple वाला
film like Azad, play such a good role.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, by a horse, and you asked me, Bharti, how we manage that, and that, I must tell you, has been the biggest challenge for me. कि when I thought about it, अच्छा ये घोड़े के साथ मैं फिल्म बनाऊंगा, क्योंकि हमारे देश में कभी किसी ने ऐसी फिल्म बनाई नहीं थी। एंड मुझे पहले शुरू में समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं ये घोड़ा आएगा कहाँ से, और अब ये मैं VFX में बनाऊँ, मैं ये घोड़ा इम्पोर्ट करूँ क्या। तो एक दिन तो आपको कहीं से शुरू करना पड़ता है। Then I said, you know what, I'm just going to go and buy a horse, and I'm going to go. So I sent a team out all over the country to find the most beautiful black horse that they can find, and I just said, just let me go meet him. And one day I got a call on a February morning. It was a cold morning. He was in a village in Punjab, and I said we found the horse for him, and I landed up in Punjab to see him, and it was love at first sight. He came out through the mist. I said, I have a horse, and now I just knew that this is my hero, you know. But it was so bizarre to convince everyone कि यार ये क्या कर रहे हैं, ये पागल आदमी है, how are you going to do it? And then it started a full process for me, you know, learn how to work with horses and what it takes to make a movie with an animal. And it's not a dog, it's a horse. It's a big, beautiful, powerful animal, and the kind of relation, the kind of interactions that I did with that horse. What that horse taught me, and I'm sure taught all of us while making this film, you know. And I didn't want to make a movie about a horse and use a rented horse. So we bought our own horse. We got the best trainers from all over the world. And then we bought several other horses to play the other characters. And now we have several of them. And you could say that, yeah. Yeah, so this part of making this movie has been the most enriching for me. Thank you for your patience for listening to me. Language, he was in the Pran Saab ki arena ke hote the wo. Rahman, that's the one. And I was looking for an actor who could play Rahman-esque character. But I'm not finished. I'm still. Now you asked me so many questions. Let me finish talking about the main superstar of my film, which I've had the privilege of working with. This is my second time that I've got a chance to work with Ajay, and I'm amazed at how my meetings with him are not more than 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and there is no extra convincing needed. There is none of the fluff. There is ऐसी कोई फालतू बात ही नहीं होती किसी भी मीटिंग में. मैं बात बोलता हूँ उनसे, it registers immediately. His reaction, his response is immediate, and it is sure. There is no dilly-dallying, and it's effortless. That's a pro, like a real pro who's there to do a job. And it's just always, with every meeting with him, every interaction with him, and he gets on set, he knows his lines, he knows his character, he knows, most importantly, he knows which movie he is in. He knows when he is in a Singham, he knows when he is in Azad, he knows when he is in Mr. Vishal Bhardwaj's film, he knows when he is in Gulzar Saab's film, he just knows he knows his movies, he knows his job, and it's such a privilege, sir, to always, I hope I get many more chances to work with you and interact with you.
Hi, I'm Neha Joy.
And honorable illness people, also in Mohit, for him, you have brought him to the big screen. What did you see in him? Have you seen his performances? Same with Diana. She's not from this world that you have taken her to. So what did you see? Why did you cast her? So for all of them, and also Ajay, when you have a fifth character like the horse, how tough was that handling the horses? And is Ajay very comfortable on the horse? Was he did he need to take riding lessons? So what was he like?
So I'll just flow through all your questions, With Rasha, she was like a truly like a rose, she looks really beautiful. But when I started to work with her, it's just when you peel off each petal, you realize, oh my God, there's more and there's more. And she had so much to offer. So the film initially did not have the capacity to do justice to what all she could do, and I think she has so much more to offer the industry, But as we went along, I realized that she could dance so well, but I did not have the room, but I made room for that. My film definitely had room for it, but I had not accommodated for it, But I said, why should I lose that opportunity? So I brought that in. But the ability for her, I've realized one thing. हम सब कहते हैं कि फिल्म वालों के घर में जो बच्चे होते हैं, हम सबको एक तरीके से देते हैं, पर ऐसा नहीं होता है. हर फिल्म वाला एक इंडिविजुअल होता है, उसके घर की अपब्रिंगिंग उसकी अपनी होती है, और ये बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स और अपने जो अपब्रिंगिंग है वो दिखाते हैं. एटलीस्ट मुझे पहली फिल्म में वो दिखता है. आगे चल के फिर इंडस्ट्री आपको एक तरीके से बनाने की कोशिश करती है, मगर शुरू में आई कैन सी वेयर दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम, and I can see both of them have had very good upbringing, And Rasha has such positive energy, like it's infectious. And I'm not just saying, it's not what you call bubbly, it's positivity, and you can see it emanate in her personality. And for Aman, he has a quality where he can listen. And I think for actors, everybody reads the script. My whole crew reads the script. Hundreds of people read a script, and everybody interprets it in their own way. So if an actor thinks that they already know it, it becomes very difficult for the director because his job is to align everybody's vision to one vision. Sometimes borrowing from the way others see it, some of his own, but he has to align it. And for an actor to listen, is very, very important. And he has that quality, and he has that therav as an individual. It's a very ingrained quality, and I think he gets it from his mama. you know, because his mom has definitely got it. He's got that stability and gravitas. He's very young to use the word gravitas on him, but I think as he matures as an actor, it will also emerge in his personality. You know, and there's no insecurity. He's not. He's there in his full presence, and he's there in the moment. You know, whatever his talent may be, you know, you cannot be a highly skilled actor on the first day of your film or the first day of your job. Nobody's expecting that. But if you can contain yourself and not be falling apart, that is an achievement in itself on the first day, which he did. And in my very first meeting with him, I felt I can communicate, you know, and communication for me is key. I would say Diana के बारे में मुझे Diana